Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ash and this is the Perfectly Complicated channel. So today is Vlogmas Day 5. Okay, today is the 5th of December, so Vlogmas Day 6. And today is my younger sister's birthday, so happy birthday Anastasia. I'm not sure if she watches my video, but happy birthday family. It's family. So today it's a rainy day. It's even raining right now, but it's at I think 4. It's at 4, yeah. And it's raining. It has been raining since 12, drizzling, raining, all that. And I was just cuddling, and today I decided to do a cooking vlog because I'm here alone. I have to make food for myself. I'm not the best cook ever. I don't like cooking, but I do love potatoes, and there were so many potatoes here. Okay, I can do a quick fix of a meal because there's some cooked beans in the fridge, and I can just boil rice, but I'm like, let me make potatoes. I do miss potatoes. So we're cooking potatoes, and I was in the garden also, and I harvested some spinach and skuma. The spinaches are down here. Not much, but I just want to have some green, like the lightly cooked kales. Like yeah, you'll see. So let's start cooking and talk to you. And my tripod is so short, so I can't fit fully. Let me figure out a way of how to fit fully. This is better. I think I fit more now, better. So let's peel some potatoes. I don't have any story to tell you, anything to tell you. And now you can see the potatoes. Why do I have a shorter tripod? When I place you up, you can see the potatoes. When I place you down, you can see my face. And I'm sure when you're watching somebody and you can see what they are doing is always annoying. So let me find a good position and place you. I have my potatoes boiling over there. Let me cover that. Yeah. Okay. So I have my potatoes boiling here. Let me first let me wash the dishes. There are a bit of dishes because I want to use this small sufuria. Let me wash the dishes and then chop these and then continue. Yeah, today I'm cooking for myself. Oh, I don't know. I don't like cooking. I should love cooking. I should teach myself to love to cook. So I'm just making. I don't have a recipe. I think I've made this before, but I'm not sure. So I'll boil them, and then when they are soft, somehow I'll fry them in the pan, like shallow fry, like to make them golden brown. Yeah, so that will be the potatoes. And then for the spinach and the skuma wiki, I'll just chop them and then steam them a bit, and that's it. So I'll be having potato bites. I'll be having potato bites and like steamed vegetables. I might throw in an egg there, like a fried egg. I'll know, but I'm cooking I'm making up the recipe as I cook. So let's wash the dishes and then chop up the vegetables. the potatoes. I know this is my own recipe, but I overcooked the potatoes and now they look mashed. And I did not want them to be mashed. I just wanted them to be crunchy. Yeah, as long as I'm hitting like nasemanga mimi pekee watu wako njaa. Kama uko na preference ya chakula, itabidi ujisort. So uzuri zaidi mimi najipikia. So nimeongeza curry powder na mixed spices juu. Yeah, sijui kina turmeric na hizo zingine ufanya nini. And I want to transfer the potatoes in the spinach like sukuma hivi ndo zinakaa. Can you see it? Kwenye moto. So I want to put this here ndo nitumie kupika mayai. Tatufanya hivyo. Haijamix poa juu ipanzi taki. Haijamix poa juu sitaki kukoroga ikuwe mashed more. But at least kwa sufuria naweza toss. Ningepika mayai kwanza. Look at this now. I think I'll end up cooking scrambled eggs. What is this? So acha tutoss hizo kwa sufuria. Funike na hiki funiko si hapa. I know. And then to mix. Yeah, now it end up for a mash. Like now I can't. Nime give up to nikaamua hata nizi mash too, and now they look weird. But I know they'll be sweet. Let's cook some eggs. Hey guys, did I tell you I don't know how to cook? Yeah, I should have cooked the eggs before I used the pan to cook the potatoes juu venye ilikuwa imekwama huko chini pia imekwama, but nimepika. And this another thing inakaa mokimo sasa. Isipokuwa githeri juu kuna spinach. So let me serve. I think presentation matters. So let me serve and then see and taste. Pia taste. But I know it's sweet. I love potatoes. I love skuma. I love eggs. It's sweet. So acha tu serve tukule. Sijui ni kunywa maziwa ama salt ama juice. But mostly nitakunywa juice. Sijisikii kwanza kuoa maziwa and all that. Na tunakunywa chai kila asubuhi siku hizi, sina craving ya maziwa. Like sometimes nakwanga kitambo I've been chilling and then I'm like, I've not taken milk for a while. I should take milk. And then I go buy milk and take milk. But because now I took milk jana asubuhi, leo asubuhi, kesho nitakunywa maziwa pia juzi asubuhi, nitakunywa like chai ya maziwa. I think utakunywa tu juo. Siko njaa sana na sijakula lunch. Yeah, shida nyingine ya kuishi solo, like another problem of living alone is that especially when you don't love cooking, you don't get appetite. Personally, mimi sipataki appetite like nikikuwa njaa na niko solo niko like sana nitaanza kupika food ya mtu mmoja and then siku njaa. So today I woke up, I took breakfast like what did I have for breakfast? Oh, I had bread, Weetabix and some milk, and then hivyo tu, and I've not been hungry, and even now when I'm cooking I'm not that hungry. So nakula juu lazima ukule, siwezi lala hivyo. Right now it's at night actually. Giza ishaingia, au shinafaa kuwasha security lights. So right now it's at night. And nakula juu sitaki kwanza kuamka saa 6 nikiwa njaa. So yeah guys, acha niwaoneshe vile inakaa. Even though inakaa and it's so sweet, I've already tasted it. Like mixed potatoes. Na sasa zikiwekwa spinach and egg. Let me dilute some juice and that's it for today's video. See you tomorrow. Bye. Squeeze hata najua mnimiss but nimeonja mayai saa hii and niliungua. Yeah, I'm not that hungry. Some parts za mayai zimeungua, zingine ziko tamu, but the potato part na the skuma part iko poa. Na at least niko na kula kesho lunch ama breakfast. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.